Hi there, it's Lou again, aka Jachina. For today's video, I'm going to show you a review and what fits on the Louis Vuitton CLES and the Mini Pichette. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. Hi there, recently I've been loving some SLGs. SLGs means small leather goods at the Louis Vuitton store. So I'm going to show you two items. This one is newly bought. I bought it a few months ago with my LV Clapton bag. If you haven't seen my unboxing, I'm going to link it down below at the description bar. And this one is a Mini Pichette. I bought it pre-loved from a very nice lady who just collects a lot of LV bags, and she said she got another design of this one. That's why she sold it to me. So yes, let me do first. Okay, we do first a small one. I have my cell phone there at the back. Okay, this is what you call the Louis Vuitton CLES or key pouch. It is kind of a small wallet, but the purpose of this is to put in your keys. So this is what it looks like. So this is the front. This is also the back. It's identical. I bought it here in Singapore at the Iron Orchard. So it got gold hardware. Then it got the usual zipper pull. So it's like this, and it looks like this. It got this gold hardware. Okay, let's focus. So it looks like this with the LV logo, and I just hang my keys. So this one, okay, it's up to here only. That is included. Okay, I'll show you. This is how you dismantle it. Like, I pull it here and then put up. So this is my house keys, mailbox keys, like that. And this one, I forgot what is this. I think it's for my luggage recently. So when you buy a Louis Vuitton CLES, it looks like this by default. And I just need to clip it. So it looks like this by default. Then it got the color brown that it's so hard to see. Then there is like a gold what I call this triangle here inside. Sorry, it's kind of dark here, but I hope you can see it. So let's measure it. Okay, so I got my tape measure. So this one, okay, is like 5 inches, and here it's like about 3 inches. So this one, I believe I bought it $200 Sing dollars at the LV store. What I like about this one, even though there's a lot of CLES key pouch in the market, I like the idea that I open this, right? I open this, and then I just put in my keys. So my keys has its own ring. Yes, that's it, right? And then I put it inside, then I zip it. I like that idea. Why? So that the keys, you know, these keys, the mouth of the keys will not scratch the bags. Even though you don't have luxury bags or whatsoever, these keys will really scratch if you are, you know, not careful. So I like the idea that it's here. And then it's like a mini bag, and then that's it. I put it inside my bag. So it's kind of bulging a bit because I didn't put it properly like that. But you get what I mean. If you can see, there's only a few keys here. And a lot of people, I saw this as well, that they have keys inside. Then they also, for example, I take it out, right? Yeah, I've seen people like have this as a, what do you call this, as a key pouch. Like this one, it's really hanging on the bag itself. It's so cute. This one is hanging on the bag. Then it becomes like a mini catch-all. And this one can also fit coins, money, bills. So I like it very much. It's very versatile. So if you are like starting to collect LV or SLGs, at least this one, of course it's expensive, but not as expensive as a bag. You can start from here. Okay, this is the CLES or key pouch. Yes. And then the second one, because I don't want to buy like, you know, 500. I think this is $500 or $600. So this is what you call the Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette. This is like a cosmetic bag, a catch-all, whatsoever. Just your usual canvas bag. So this is the material. Then until here and here. So this one is like one canvas, and then a separate canvas here. So this is kind of not kind of, it's really sold out even here in Singapore. It's just so hard to buy this classic one because this is a classic monogram print, the Mini Pochette. They have, I believe, the other prints. Then recently I checked, nothing. There is nothing here in Singapore, so I can only buy it pre-loved. So I bought it pre-loved in Carousel. So I'll show you the measurements first. Okay, so this side is about, you can see, 6 inches. This side is about 4 inches. The thickness, it's about, you can see, 1 inch. So what I like about this, because I didn't pay full price and the lady really took care of it, so you can see it's really in good condition. So the most unique part of a Mini Pochette, this is like a, I believe, an old version because this is a classic one. She said she had it for years, but you can see she really took care of it. She even gave me the original paper bag, the dark brown paper bag. It even got a bag and a dust bag. So this is how I know that she really, you know, takes care of all her stuff. So anyways, I'll show you. So it's a gold hardware. So this one is just like those D-clips, so you can just clip something there. Then the usual LV zipper. I didn't clean it up. I'm just showing you as it is, how I got it. Then at the end, so the zipper is extended a bit. Then there's this vachetta. The vachetta drives a lot of people crazy. Of course, when I just knew that you shouldn't have, like, you know, water splatter, liquid splatter, everything. Well, I just knew it, you know, very late in life because my LV totally bag, I have a few of it, but I'm not going to sell that or what because it's the gift of my hubby. So anyways, I'm just showing you. You see, it's a honey color already, so you would really know how long the previous owner owned it. So it got this D-clip and got this gold chain. So this one, I can detach it, right? And it really looks like this. Yes, so let me go further. Yeah, so I just lift up, so it really looks like this. It's like a mini bag, right? So probably you're interested as well. What is the size? The measurements from this one to this one. Okay, as you can see, it's about 6 inches. So a lot of people use it like a mini handbag, and then some people use it like wristlet, like what I do. I just clip it there. Yes, and the D-clips is just, you know, stuck here. It's not detachable, so I'll show you what's inside. So you can see it's like the classic brown lining. So what I have is my silky girl. What is this? Pure Fresh powder. It's a BB oil control in 02 natural. Then I got my favorite lip tint from Holika Holika water drop. And then my Clean and Clear oil control film. I got my Fresh Care in green tea. This is aromatherapy oil. So if I have headaches or insect bites or whatever, I can just roll on. So I love it because I don't want to use my hands for oils. I want it like roll on style. And then what else? I got my favorite Rimmel eyeliner. Just a hair tie. And I got a Capella Sweets. See, sweets or mints. And then 2 different kinds of, this is a doggy bag for rubbish, so that if I have a used tissue or whatsoever, I can just use this one. Of course, these are new. I bought this at the pet supply store. And then yes, that's it. That's how it looks like. It's a classic color one that I don't think so you can see, and the serial number is inside as well. So let me just put everything here. So this is like my cosmetic, like catch-all thingy for everything. So I place it inside my work bag, and then I just bring this one, and as you can see, this is a very good size as well. You can use this as a wallet as well, or you have a dinner party that you're going to attend, you can just use as it is. And I even saw a lot of YouTube videos that they buy like a long strap for it, a long leather or a gold chain strap, because you can just, you know, attach it to here. So yes, that's about it. This is just my quick review of my 2 SLGs. So I highly recommend these 2 items, but if you cannot afford, of course, both, for me, if you are just starting to collect, I highly recommend this CLES. So yes, that's about it. If you like this kind of videos, just like, subscribe, and click the bell button beside the subscribe button so you'll be notified whenever I upload new stuff on your gadgets. And I see you next time on my next video. Bye bye.